Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your DM notifications on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the TikTok application and open that up, and just go over to the Me tab, so the bottom right tab. Once you're on there, you just want to go to the top right where the three dots are, click on that, and then under General you'll see Push Notifications, so just click on Push Notifications. And then last but not least, under messages, you see direct messages. So you can just go ahead and untick that so it's gray, and then your messages will be turned off. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.